Hi, mathematicians. Let's review our fact families. A fact family is a set of three numbers. And when we have those three numbers, we can create four number sentences, either addition or subtraction, using just these three numbers. So let's take a look and do this first one together. Now, there are three different sets that you can pick from. The one that I'm doing with you is from our numbers to 10. We also have a set with some more challenging numbers, numbers to 40. Or we have our super challenge set where there's four numbers. So first you have to figure out which three numbers to use. But let's take a look at this one first. So I see 5, 2, and 7. So those are the only numbers I can use. So let's start with our addition. I'm going to just start with 5 since I see that right here. Now, am I going to add 2 or 7? Well, if I add 7 and 5 together, I know that doesn't equal 2. So I know it has to be 2. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Great. For our next problem, all I'm going to do is flip the two numbers I added. So now I'm going to start with 2, then 5, and equals 7. Awesome. Let's try subtraction. So remember, I can only use these three numbers. So which number do you think I'm going to start with? Did you say 7? Great job. We always start with the biggest number when we're subtracting. Because if you think about it, if you have 2, you can't possibly take away 5. Put up 2 fingers. Okay, can you take away 5? No, you only have 2. And same thing, if you put up 5 fingers, you can't take away 7. So let's do 7 take away 5. And what are we left with? Put up 7 fingers. Now put 5 back down. You should have 2 up. See how we still only used the same 3 numbers? Okay, for our second subtraction sentence, we're going to start with 7 again. Only I already took away the 5, so now I'm going to take away my 2. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Okay, mathematicians, see if you can fill in the rest of our fact family pots of gold, either with numbers to 10, numbers to 40, or our super challenge slides.